we're back. Welcome back to another Live Your Wyoming adventure. And we're back at the Caveman Inn today. See if we can do a little remodeling with the big boy tools. Got a couple things to show you, and let's get started, huh? Man, that's a lot of work. If you remember, I told you last time that I trenched this out for a reason. And I didn't see any guesses in the comments, so I will spill the beans. Okay? Now, I mentioned that we had a kitchen, we had a living room, and the fireplace was under development. But I left out the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Okay? And I want this nice and soft for a couple of reasons, you know. I don't know where that rock came from, but, you know, I guess they grow them in these parts. But, okay, so you get this smoothed out. You'll notice it's nice and flat. Okay? But human bodies are not. Okay? Human bodies have curves. And the curves on the female of the species are much nicer, at least in my opinion. But I don't want to sleep on flat ground. Okay? So this is where you hollow it out. I want this round. I'm probably a little rounder than some people, but you know what? That's okay. I earned the right to be. Okay? So I'm going to continue to round this out, make a little hollow in here, because when I lay down, that will contour to my body and will be much more comfortable than laying on flat ground. And it's going to take some work to get it right. Okay? And I'm sure that after the first night I'll be taking everything up and, you know, if I don't know where these came from. I screened all this out. But yeah, after the first night I'll be taking everything up and digging that kind of stuff out, and I will be readjusting until I get it to where I like it. But you kind of get the idea there. So once we've achieved our feng shui, nirvana, whatever, that is what this is for. Alright, well this isn't too bad, but it still needs some work. You get the idea. I might just take a nap. Okay, so another thing I said I was going to do in last week's video was check out this black material. I thought it might be coal. But when I did, something peculiar, well, sort of peculiar happened. It is definitely lava rock. There it is. Okay, so I tried to burn it. If I can hang on to it. There's actually little chips of that flying off violently. Ooh, ouch. What that tells me is that there is compressed gas in this rock. Either that or it's under a lot of stress, but either way, I don't want this in the fire. Well, I think I am going to put some water on for coffee while I do a little more digging, because a cup of coffee sounds pretty good right about now. I'm going to go dig. You can watch coffee if you want to. Nah, you don't want to. Now that is a cup of coffee. Good. Hey, got a few things done. Got a lot of that gravel cleared out, but I did try picking at that mound there by the entrance, and it's frozen solid. I'm probably going to have to light a fire over there to thaw it out before I can dig out a good fire pit, and I'll need that before I decide to really stay out here. But it's pretty close to the point where I can stay out here and then just work on improvements while I'm out here. So, you know, whatever I need to do, I'll bring you along, and you make sure and join me. And before I go, I want to throw a very special shout out to Lisa, a friend of the channel, who has been here almost since the beginning and is a very nice, very special lady. You know, hey, thanks for all of your care and concern. Here's to you. Till next time, folks, get out there and live your Wyoming adventure. Thanks for watching.